Hey guys, welcome to Cora Radar, your one-stop shop for tips and tricks in the digital world. Today we'll talk about how to fix iPhone stuck on Apple logo storage full problems. Does your iPhone get stuck on Apple logo due to storage full? Don't lose hope. Some simple troubleshooting steps here help get past the stuck Apple logo and go to the home screen. To be honest, few things are more stressful than finding an iPhone storage is full and won't turn on with an Apple logo stuck on the screen for hours. No matter how you try to press buttons to reboot or connect to the computer, your iPhone remains stuck on Apple logo. Of course, the phone has no more space and will not start up. But before you pay for an expensive repair or new iPhone, there are a few quick troubleshooting steps you can take yourself to fix iPhone stuck on Apple logo when storage is full. Let's discuss the likely causes and how to get your iPhone working happily again. Maybe you postpone emptying the memory when your iPhone is in full storage. Then, it suddenly turns off, shows a loading black screen, and gets stuck on Apple logo instead of booting up. Perhaps you're updating your device but the storage got full. Finally, it enters into a boot loop and now becomes stuck on the Apple logo because storage is full. You connect the phone to the computer and it shows there is 0 GB free on the device. And you can't open the data and files from there. Then, what are the culprits behind this issue? One is that due to the lack of storage space, the system may become overloaded and struggle to perform essential functions, including booting up. The other one is that full storage can lead to corrupted files or data, which can impact the phone's ability to start up and get stuck on the Apple logo screen. Now, follow me to try the troubleshooting steps below to fix iPhone stuck on Apple logo due to storage full. Don't worry if you're a novice of digital devices or a new iPhone user. We'll introduce all the methods step by step, making it easy to fix iOS update glitches on iPhone. Besides, if you have any questions, write them down in the comment below and we'll reply to you within 24 hours. Force restart your iPhone to clear the system cache. Yes, I know your iPhone storage is full because you've stored so many photos, videos, contacts, apps, files, movies, and so on, and that leads to the Apple logo being stuck problems. The truth is that aside from your essential content, one that occupies a lot of memory space is unused system data and cache. Depending on how long you've used your device, it could be from 3 GB to 20 GB. So, to make sure that your device has enough storage to trigger the boot up schema and start, try to force restart it with buttons. Here's how to fix iPhone stuck on an Apple logo storage full no computer. If you're using an iPhone 8, iPhone 10, or later iPhone models, do this to force restart your device. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. If you're using an iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus, do this to force restart your device. Press and hold both the volume down button and the side button. Continue holding both buttons until you see the Apple logo. If you're using iPhone 6s or older iPhone models, do this to force restart your device. Press and hold both the home button and the sleep or wake button. Continue holding both buttons until you see the Apple logo. Now, see if you fixed the iPhone stuck on Apple logo storage full issue. Restore iPhone via recovery mode. Every iPhone has a built-in recovery mode feature available so that you can resolve any system bugs that are preventing you from running the operating system. This is also working for that iPhone stuck on Apple logo and storage is full. As the memory is full, so doing an update is useless. Instead, you'll need to bring your device back to its factory defaults. It's important to ensure that you back up any important data before performing a factory reset. Then, here's what you need to do. Run iTunes or Finder on your computer. Use a USB cable to connect your iPhone to a computer. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter recovery mode. For iPhone 8 and later models, press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until the recovery mode screen appears. For iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, press and hold the volume down button and the side button simultaneously until the recovery mode screen appears. For iPhone 6s and earlier models, press and hold the home button and the side, or top, button simultaneously until the recovery mode screen appears. Once your iPhone is in recovery mode, iTunes or Finder will detect it and prompt you to update or restore your device. Now, when you see this dialog box on your computer, choose the Restore option to erase all data and settings on your iPhone and restore it to its factory settings. Wait for the restore process to complete. Maybe 1 hour, maybe 3 hours. After the restore is complete, your iPhone should restart and prompt you to go through the initial setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device. Then, you should successfully unfreeze your iPhone stuck on the Apple logo due to full storage. Contact support. If you are still stuck on an Apple logo because the iPhone storage is full after trying the two methods above, turn on Apple Experts. You can go to the nearest Apple repair store to do a full device diagnostic. After that, they will give a solution to fix the issue. Depending on the problem type, you could fix the iPhone stuck on Apple logo storage full for free or pay for it. And there you have it, folks. We've reached the end of our video on how to fix an iPhone stuck on the Apple logo if iPhone storage is full. We sincerely hope that the troubleshooting steps we've shared have been effective in resolving your issue. Remember, if you ever encounter any issues with your iPhone or any other device, don't hesitate to seek help in Quora Radar. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in getting your iPhone back in working condition. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more tech-related content. Until next time.